Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Telluride brake light. First, gather your essential tools, a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. It's crucial to ensure the new bulb matches the original specifications for proper function. Always work on a level surface with the engine off for safety. This simple preparation makes the process smooth and efficient. Next, open your Kia Telluride's rear liftgate to expose the taillight assembly. Locate the two retaining screws holding the assembly in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back from the vehicle. It should slide out without much force, revealing the bulb sockets. Now, with the taillight assembly detached, identify the brake light bulb socket. Twist this socket counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from the assembly. Gently pull the old, faulty bulb straight out from its socket. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb. Insert the new brake light bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it seats correctly for a secure connection. Finally, reinsert the bulb socket into the taillight assembly, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully align the entire taillight assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two retaining screws using your flathead screwdriver, ensuring they are snug. Have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.